Guys, we are headed up. We're up early. It's 9:30. Don't even look at my hair. We are headed off to Sports Day in the park.
And yesterday we got new chairs. You looked at them.
You looked at the prizes?
No, Sophia.
Sophia? Wow, you guys. Look at the prizes. Wow. Wow, they have a lot of prizes, huh? Wow, that's nice. What is that? Star stickers for your room. Now put it back, Soph. You're not supposed to touch them. Some hair stuff. Don't touch them.
I want this.
You want the star stickers? They're cool. Some surfboards, some sand toys, lots of prizes. All right, let's go.
Come on in. Loud and clear.
All kids for Sports Day.
Okay, it's going to be similar to last year. For those who participated last year, we are going to have a speed race, shoe toss, sack race, spoon potato race, and then for the 13 plus and the adults, we'll do a sponge toss.
All right, you guys, Sophie's up.
Spread out a bit. Spread out.
Look at her.
Okay.
Really fast, Maddie.
Go, Sophie, go! Woohoo! What'd you get? Second place. That's amazing. Are you proud of yourself? Here, let me hold it. You want me to hold it for you?
No, me put it on my spot.
Put it right here. I saw you running so fast. All right, Gabby's up. She's against 9 and 10-year-olds. There she is. You guys see her? Way over there.
I got second place.
Second place. High five. That's good running.
I know it.
All right. I get so nervous. Gab. Oh, okay. All right, here she goes.
Are you ready?
All right.
1, 2, 3,
Kick it, Sophie. Kick your shoe. Whoa. Good job, Sophie.
There you go. Okay,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
Kick it, Soph. Good job. This is a shoe toss. It's like Sophie won first place.
Oh, yeah, Sophia's.
There we go.
I think Sophie won first and second.
Okay.
There she goes. She's going to get her ribbon. First prize.
Boys, 5 seconds.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay! It's working out awesome that you're a big girl going with the 5 and 6-year-olds, eh? Gabby's up. Shoe toss, 9, 10. Did Sarah go with this one?
She just went to watch from up there and then she'll
We'll go on.
All right, there's Gabby. Okay, watch.
1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa! Whoa!
1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa! Heads up.
Okay, go to your shoe.
Get filled twice
She
again.
got third again? That's crazy.
Boys, 9, 10.
Where'd she go? A third again. Good job. You got a good kicker.
Yeah.
That's a lot of kids that you competed against. It's a big group.
Yeah, but he called it too quick because I didn't have my left.
Oh, you could have just still taken your time. But
1,
that's okay.
2,
You
3,
did awesome.
go!
Okay, you guys, it is sack race.
Get ready, watch her.
Here she goes. Go. Go, Sophia, go. Jump, jump, Sophia. Yay! Woohoo!
Oh, boys.
Good
On the
job.
line.
She's loving this.
Sack back to the boys.
For her height.
Flag up.
and the ones that aren't going yet. Just because her face-ups need to be.
Go, Gabby, go! Go, go, go!
Good job.
All right, what are you thinking?
Ones are for the bigger kids.
So, Sophie, you got to go to the 5-6 over here.
What do you want? This?
Let's get in line, love. You just have to look in there or in that one.
Addison's picked her prize. Addison, did you get
Pick a prize. Go ahead, pick something.
Perfect. If any of the kids didn't get a ribbon, we have some here for participation, okay?
It's kind of hard, but do you want that?
Is that what you want? Haley, did you guys pick
There's
your prize? Show us so that we can stamp your name.
There's a big bucket up there too, my love.
That one? You're great. Stamp your name.
Did you get a ribbon today?
Are you sure this is what you're
There's stuff up there too, Sophie. Look, up there.
She actually got how much?
Okay, Darren, go.
She got 4 ribbons.
Do you like this, Sophie?
She wants a bow and arrow, she said.
Alright, well, if there's one left.
I don't know if this is supposed to be for the bigger kids.
Yep, there is, Jay.
All right, go show her.
I got it.
See if you're allowed.
You got it. You got it.
Got your ribbons? You're welcome.
Good girl.
Did you get a
Thank
ribbon?
you guys. Okay, come on, Nutty.
Everybody's a winner.
Good job. Those are cool.
Gotcha.
Do you want it open, Gabby, or do you want to eat your hot dog first, honey?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, grab a hot dog. You want a hot dog? You can take it with you and eat it after.
Lots of hot dogs here. Grab one right there. They're all ready.
You better get one. Just get one. You don't have to eat it right now. Just get one.
Hot dogs freezing, says water.
Starting to get warm, finally, sort of. Kind of overcast today, but we have the pool to ourselves.
It's okay. I'm not trying to get one.
Just the girls swimming around. You guys have the whole pool to yourself.
Yeah.
It's awesome. It's nice because I can sit here, read my book, read a magazine. Except for I can see the sun is starting to try and come out by 4. They say by 4 it's supposed to come out. So if it gets hot by 4, I might go down to the beach. You guys want to go down to the beach later? Sam's gone back to the trailer to hang out. Girls have been swimming at the pool for hours. It was cloudy and cold, and then all of a sudden it just got super hot. So now I want to put my bathing suit on. We're going back to the trailer so we can have some lunch, and then we're going to go back to the pool and just swim the whole rest of the afternoon away. Because that's what's so amazing about camping is that there's nothing else to do.
Go to the beach too.
Oh, well, we may go to the beach. We've been at the pool this entire afternoon. It is freezing cold outside. I'm all bundled in my clothes. Sam, the girls are out there. Girls are out there, freezing cold, and Sam literally stayed at the pool. I was like, get out of the pool. We have to go get warm. Are you guys cold?
Cool.
Yeah, I believe it. There's your clothes. Got them all set out for you.
Pants have rip in them.
Oh, man. Well, I'll get you another pair.
I want to put
Are you cold? I am frozen. At least it's warm in here. At least it's warm in here. The best thing about camping though, where's the hole? The best thing about camping though is when it's so hot during the day and you swim all day and you just relax, and then at night it's cold and you open the windows and you freeze.
There's 2 holes.
Oh, they're microscopic holes. Nobody's gonna see those.
One right there. And
Man.
one right there.
Man. Anyway, we're gonna have supper.
When is
It is
Kaylin and Grayson coming?
almost 8 o'clock and we have not had supper yet. It's almost 8 o'clock and we have not had supper yet. Right?
I don't want those clothes. I want the clothes that I had earlier.
You can't wear shorts for tonight. It's freezing.
Who cares? And I'll get different pants.